Hello, kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee. Hi, guys. All right, so I'm just being silly. I'm super excited to start doing this hairstyle right now. So, of course, as always, you're always going to start with fresh, clean hair. I've already sectioned my hair into 4 sections, so I only have 2 sections left, which is in the top. Everything in the back is already sectioned and rubber band. This is what I'm using for my moisturizer. It's Hollywood Beauty Olive Oil Cholesterol Super Shine and Moisture.
In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to.
Okay, so I'm just going to start with one of the top sections here and actually part it so that way my parts are clean in the front of my head.
We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives.
I'm just showing you the rubber band. I dip it in oil, that way it's a lot less resistant on my hair and it's easier to come out when it's time to take my hair down. Here's my cutie pie girl, Precious. She is so cute. I love her so much.
All of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. And all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright.
I'm just putting some oil on my scalp right now, that way everything's nice and moist and hydrated. So I'm finally making progress. This hairstyle, it did take me about a week. I was taking my sweet time. And so here's me just showing you to get into the groove, get your headphones on and start dancing. Have some fun. Okay, so now I'm going to be stretching the hair. Just to stretch it, you're just going to take one end and pull the opposite direction of the other end, and then you're just going to want to fray the ends. That way it's not a blunt line across for when you're actually twisting. So here I'm showing you how I attach the hair to my hair with the crochet. I simply just hook the hair onto the crochet needle and I pull it through my hair. And then you're just going to pull one strand of hair through. That way you're not pulling the entire strand through. Now you have 2 strands and then your hair in the middle. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to separate my hair in half, place one half of my hair with the other strand and place the other half of my hair with the other. And I'm just going to twist around just to tuck my hair inside of the twisting hair. And I'll do that to the other side as well.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night.
See, I was trying to wrap it so that way the rubber band was not visible, but there was no way that I was getting that accomplished. So I just said F it and just kept on wrapping my hair. Make sure when you twist, you're twisting in the same direction for both strands. And then when you go over to wrap the hair around the other strand to actually make the twist, it will make the twist for you. So just do that all the way down. And here I'm showing you that I actually blended some of my hair. So I'm just stretching it out to blend it with the twist that I'm making now. And I'll simply just be twisting in the same direction of the hair that I'm going already down that shaft.
Just far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe?
Now I'll be showing you how to tuck your hair in twisting hair when you have a different color, like when you're using a solid color. So what I do is just like the other twist, pull the hair through the crochet needle to create those two separate strands from your hair.
I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never.
And I'll just be taking my hair and separating it in two and pulling it in the opposite direction. That way it's as tight as to my root as I can get it. And I'll just section that off, separate that from what I'm getting ready to work with.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard to you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Okay, so now when it comes to the tucking process for the colored hair, what you're going to do is just wrap your hair into the hair, similar to like wrapping a burrito. Like if you ever wrapped yourself in a blanket, you probably know what I mean, but just wrap your hair, wrap the braiding or the twisting hair around your hair so that way your hair is completely covered, or covered as much as possible. And you'll do that on both sides.
In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives.
So now you'll see when I'm twisting the hair, getting ready to twist the hair around itself, it automatically makes a twist for me as I wrap the hair around. So now I'll be using the Black Panther. It's the Black Panther Control Foam. It just locks in your braids or your twists or your protective hairstyle. So I just placed my hair in some rollers. I'm going to dip it and I'm just going to show you. You're going to want to dry that. Hello, Kindred fam. Good morning. So I did sleep in these curlers. I actually wrapped my hair up, but you can see my hair wrap kind of turned into like a head tie. This hair is very thick, so it was a challenge to figure out how to wrap it up with the rollers, just because I couldn't like tie it around itself, you know what I mean? So I'm going to show you how this hair is looking overnight with the rollers in. I'm just going to try to figure out how to, there's the knot. So I'm going to tie this. And I'll show you.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard. Stay caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not home with you, but I'm coming home. This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not home with you.
super cute, still cute, still bomb. Hi kindred family, welcome back to my channel. So this is my finished look for these I'm calling them goddess twists just because I feel like an ultimate goddess with these curls in, and honestly I did the damn thing. So a couple of things to remember when you're executing this style. Tell yourself that you can do it. It will take some time, but just keep telling yourself that you're doing a good job, because whenever you do your hair, your own hair, we always have an expectation that it has to come out exactly how we want it, and that's not always the case. So always be easy on yourself. But I actually used braiding hair to execute this style just because this is my favorite color, and they didn't really have like twisting hair in this color, so I used my braiding hair that I did for my braids. Let's see, this hairstyle took me about a week to complete just because I was taking my sweet time with doing my hair. It was a little bit difficult learning how to first execute these twists. I did it the Senegalese way on how to twist. It's called a Senegalese twist, and you like take, you know, one end and you twist it, and you take the other and you twist it, and then you start twisting, opposed to like, I don't know, braiding at the top or doing a different type of knot at the top. But I did a Senegalese type way, and that way is always a little bit difficult for me, so I did use a rubber band method. You can see, I actually need to go in and like cut them out, but you can see the rubber bands. I just haven't gone in and done it just because it doesn't really bother me. They'll pop out. Some of them will have them, some of them won't. I mean, so they honestly will pop off, but it's just your preference. Now, when I was doing this hairstyle at first, the twists were all the way down to my knee. So if you're gonna have them long and you don't want them that long just because you might sit on them all the time, curling them, I definitely recommend curling them. It makes it so much more like princessy, mermaidy, just so much more classy in my opinion. But yeah, if you guys are interested in how I did my eyebrows or my makeup or anything, check on the video. It's going to be somewhere in this clip. But yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. It took me forever to complete, but once I did, I am looking fabulous. So yeah guys, thank you for watching how I did this hairstyle, and I'll see you soon. Bye.